Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. Today we're diving into a style that's all about quiet elegance and timeless sophistication, the old money look. You've probably seen this aesthetic trending online: classic interiors, rich textures, and that effortless feeling of refinement and elegance. But here's the secret: you don't need to be a millionaire to achieve it. In fact, with a few thoughtful choices, you can bring this luxurious style into your home without breaking the bank. So in today's video, I'll be sharing about 15 ways you can capture that old money vibe economically. From small details to bigger impact pieces, these tips will help you transform your home into something straight out of a classic estate, but at a fraction of the cost. Grab your cup of tea, let's get started. Number 1, invest in quality neutrals. Old money style thrives on timeless pieces, not trends. So start with a neutral upholstery, cream or beige walls, and simple high quality basics. Think less fast furniture and more forever pieces that you're able to pass down. Number 2, add crown molding and trim. Now, architectural details scream heritage. Even DIY crown molding or wall trim kits can give your space that stately, refined look without a designer budget. Be sure to check out the crown molding kit that I went ahead and added in the description box. And I just picked it up from Amazon. It's a really good way to just really give your home an elegant uplift. Number 3, layer in Persian style rugs. Now, Oriental or Persian inspired rugs instantly elevate a space. Now, these can be quite expensive. I'm talking in the thousands. But you don't need antiques. You don't need the authentic ones. Affordable replicas work beautifully to add depth, color, and pattern. And of course, they are available at Amazon. Check the description box. I've picked some out for you. Number 4, incorporate dark woods. Now, whenever you watch those old money type movies, you never see a maple staircase. You always see this really rich dark wood staircase. And a lot of the furniture is also dark wood. Rich walnut, mahogany, or even stained thrifted furniture adds just a certain flow to the room. Skip the shiny modern finishes. Matte and deep tone woods feel collected and classic. Number 5, use antique or vintage inspired lighting. Now, chandeliers, sconces, or even table lamps with fabric shades that add that warm glow. A bonus for you is secondhand shops are gold mines for these kind of finds. If you're unable to get to the shop, check out the ones that I have picked out for you. Number 6, opt for classic art prints. You don't need priceless art to get to the old money feel. How many of us can afford it anyway? But reproductions of landscapes, portraits, or oil painting prints in ornate frames that can do the trick. Another hint about frames: check out Goodwill and other thrift stores or garage sales and estate sales. Sometimes they have beautiful frames even if the picture is kind of ugly and tacky. Just throw that picture out and put yours that you sourced in. It's gonna look so expensive and luxurious. Number 7, display books in style. Stacks of hardcovers, especially classics or leather-bound editions, instantly make a home feel intellectual and refined. Thrift stores are full of gems waiting to be styled. And let me give you another tip. I was helping my friend style her home, and she wanted the books, and it's then that we found out how expensive books really are. Head to your local thrift store. Even if a book looks really raggedy, see if you can take the paper cover off and see what the actual hardbound book looks like. Number 8, add brass or gold hardware. Now swap out standard knobs for brass pulls or gold tone handles. These tiny changes pack a huge punch in making furniture or cabinets look bespoke. Now here's another tip for you. You don't even have to buy new handles. Just take the ones that you already have off, lay them on a piece of cardboard, and just spray paint them brass or gold. Now I would do a couple of coats and then add a few layers of lacquer since you're going to be handling these, because we don't want the paint to rub off. But this is a great way to update your kitchen without spending a lot of money. So old money interiors love balance. Number 9, embrace symmetry. I'm talking about twin lamps, matching chairs, or even art hung in pairs. Number 10, incorporate velvet or linen. Listen, fabrics matter. Velvet in jewel tones or crisp linen in muted shades make your furniture look far more expensive than it actually was. You can add pillows or a single accent chair to start. Once again, I've picked out some beautiful examples for you. Check the description box. Number 11, add fresh or faux florals. Think roses, hydrangeas, or peonies in timeless vases. Even faux florals, if styled right, bring a sense of polish and timeless beauty. Now, I was always taught that faux flowers were a faux pas, right? They just never looked right. They looked really cheap. But I am telling you, if you find sets of really good faux florals or fake flowers, then it can really give your room a certain look and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg on weekly fresh flowers. Number 12, use mirrors with ornate frames. We're back to the frames again. A gilded mirror is iconic old money decor. They brighten spaces, expand rooms, and add instant luxury. Look for affordable, vintage-inspired options online. Number 13, layer drapes and sheers. Bare windows? Not in an old money home. That just doesn't happen. Double layer with sheer panels and then heavier drapes for an opulent, intentional finish. Of course, put your sheers kind of in the middle, have your drapes on the side, and this is just going to give you the look that your home has been there for centuries, and that relatives have passed down these priceless textiles to you. Number 14, add subtle metallic accents. Gold candlesticks, bronze trays, or brushed brass picture frames. Being subtle is key here. A little shimmer goes a long way. And go back to my other hint that I gave you. Even if you don't have them, don't go and buy them. Shop your home. See what candlesticks that you can do without. Take it outside, lay that cardboard down, and go ahead and spray paint it. You're going to get some beautiful pieces that are new to your home, but actually not new and didn't cost you anything. Number 15, mix in vintage finds. Thrift stores and estate sales often hold treasure like carved chairs, trays, or side tables. Now, old money style feels layered over time. It's not the style that looks store-bought in one trip. This is a style where your grandmother's dining table sits next to your great uncle's buffet. You know, these are the homes that look like a lot of the items in there have been passed down from one generation to the next. And there you have it. 15 affordable ways to bring that old money luxury look into your home. Remember, this style is less about spending big and more about creating an atmosphere of heritage, balance, and timeless beauty. You can start small, maybe with a mirror or rug, and build your space around you over time. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home decor inspiration and check the description box for hand-picked Amazon finds to help you start styling your own old money home today. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.